SynAudCon online training is based on a layered approach.
How sound systems work gave you the big picture of what makes up a sound system and introduced you to some of the terms and concepts universal to all systems. Principles of audio added the finer details of how audio and acoustic signals are quantified and how audio interfaces work. Audio Applications takes you into the optimization of the audio components, both individually and as a system. The topics include mixer gain structure, system gain structure, basic acoustics relative to system tuning, a concise, logical system equalization process, loudspeaker power ratings, including what they mean and how to use them to avoid loudspeaker damage, how to properly select and set up a power amp based on the loudspeaker sensitivity and power rating and the required sound pressure level, how to select the appropriate loudspeaker cable wire gauge based on wire resistance and load impedance.
Software calculators are included.
Why these topics? Because they tend to be confusing if you try to learn them by gleaning information from other sources. We present the theory, use it to establish the practice, and then move on with the assurance that an optimum level of performance has been reached. Very few sound systems are operating at their full potential, and this course addresses the main reasons as to why. The principles apply to systems of all types, and the logical and concise steps get the system optimized fast, without endless tweaking and do-overs. A sound system is finished when it is operating at its full potential, not when it is perfect. It's vital to know when to call it done and move on to the next project. Over 30 years in the making, Audio Applications has been influenced by a rich history of audio and acoustic theory. It establishes universal and timeless principles and practices that will enable you to optimize the existing sound system. It will also influence the way that you deploy future systems by identifying the common design mistakes that reduce a sound system's performance potential.
Add the next layer to your audio understanding with Course 200, Audio Applications.